Welcome to the Adventures, Trail Running and Travel playlist. This video is an overview of Blow Down's circular trail running route in the All Trails app in iOS and Google Play. The trail is rated as difficult and hard. This trail is very hard in winter, as it is likely to be very muddy. Blows Down, or Blows Downs, is a 33.1 hectare, 82 acre, biological site of special scientific interest in Dunstable in Bedfordshire. It was notified in 1989 under Section 28 of the Wildlife and Countryside Act 1981, and the local planning authority is Central Bedfordshire Council. The site forms around half of the 62.3 hectare, 154 acre, Blows Downs Nature Reserve, which is managed by the Wildlife Trust for Bedfordshire, Cambridgeshire and Northamptonshire. It has a maximum elevation of 212 meters. This trail is hard because it's extremely likely that you'll take a wrong turn if you don't pay attention to the map. Near the middle and end of the trail, there are multiple pathways, so finding the correct path is somewhat difficult. If one takes a moment to slow down and observe the map carefully, the wrong turns can be avoided. In addition, some 2 or 3 pathways are not well maintained. There might be stinging nettles in 2 pathways, so I'd recommend lower and upper base layers, suntan lotions, your bag with your supplies and utility items if required. And make sure you are well hydrated, energized, alert and have a charged mobile phone. This trail is literally you by yourself in empty fields, so essentially it's a very peaceful summer run. It's definitely worth attempting with 2 or 3 other runners or by yourself. I think in the winter it's great for hiking and a fresh walk to clear one's mind and improve health and well-being. I rated this trail as 4 out of 5 stars in the All Trails app. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your trail running or hiking in the Blow Downs Dunstable Chiltern's Nature Reserve and stay safe. This trail might be run faster with weeks of training. I am sure I could finish this lengthy 11.54 kilometers in 1 hour 25 minutes, that is 10 minutes of the current time in this trail, according to the app. My average pace is around 8:06 in this trail, however, I was extremely satisfied with a personal best of a pace of 5:59.